Using customized colored worksheet tabs in Excel can help you visually organize and differentiate between various sheets, making your workflow more efficient and appealing. To change the color of a sheet tab, right-click on it. Point over to the tab color and choose the fill color. Click on another tab to see the applied color. Select the sheet. Go to the Home tab on the ribbon. In the Cells group, click Format. Point over to the tab color and choose the fill color. You can change the color of multiple tabs simultaneously by holding down the Control or Shift key and clicking on the tabs. To select all sheets, right-click on any sheet tab and click Select All Sheets. To remove the tab color, right-click the Sheets tab, point to Tab Color, and select No Color. Select the sheet. Go to the Home tab. In the Cells group, click Format. Point over to Tab Color and choose No Color.